In this video, I'll introduce a powerful and flexible alternative to Google Forms, perfect for creating more advanced and visually appealing forms. Let's get started. Open your internet browser. On the search bar, type in Jotform. Click on this website, Jotform, free online form builder and form creator. This website offers a free online form builder and creator with a wide range of templates and customization options. You can sign in using your Google account, or you can also use your Microsoft account. I will choose Google account. And after a short loading time, you'll be logged into the platform dashboard. Once you're inside, click on the Create option and select Form. Now, Jotform gives you multiple ways to start. Below you can see example of forms, like job application form, registration form, or feedback form. Choose any according to your requirement. Or you can type your own form. The system will ask you to describe your form, where you can enter your prompt. If you already have a soft copy of a form or survey, you can upload it, and Jotform will convert it into an editable digital form. For example, I'll enter the prompt, Employee Behavior Registration Form. Then click Submit. Within seconds, Jotform automatically generates a well-structured form based on your input, including relevant fields like name, email, organization, and more. Now the form is ready, but you can still refine it. On the right side, you can see options to edit it, like Make My Form Better or Customize Form Design. Jotform allows you to make changes simply by typing instructions. For instance, I'll request add age and gender fields below the name section. Wait for some time. As you can see, those fields are instantly added under the first and last name options. You can continue customizing the form by adding dropdowns, checkboxes, file upload options, or even payment integrations if needed. Another great feature is design customization. You can change the layout, colors, fonts, and themes to match your branding or event style. This makes your form look more professional and engaging compared to basic form builders. To see how your form looks, click on the Preview option. This allows you to experience the form exactly as a respondent would. If you're satisfied and ready to share it, go to the Publish section. From there, you can copy the direct link, embed the form on your website, or send it via email invitations. To track responses, go back to the Form Builder and open the Inbox section. This area displays all participant submissions in real time. You can also access detailed analytics, generate reports, and even download responses in different formats like Excel or PDF for further analysis. One more useful feature is integrations. Jotform can connect with tools like Google Sheets, Dropbox, and email marketing platforms, making it easier to automate your workflow and manage data efficiently. Since no one has submitted a response yet, it will show that there are no entries. But once responses start coming in, this section becomes very useful for monitoring and evaluation. So that's how you can easily create professional surveys, questionnaires, or registration forms using Jotform. With its advanced features, automation, and customization options, it stands out as a highly effective alternative to Google Forms, especially for users who want more control and creativity in their form building process.